Did you know a sneeze can travel over 160 kilometers per hour? That's faster than most sports cars. Think about it. You're at the mall, someone sneezes, and suddenly tiny droplets are zooming through the air. Those droplets can carry germs, traveling faster than you'd ever imagine, reaching people around you in seconds. This is why it's so important to cover your mouth and nose when you sneeze. A single sneeze can spread germs far and wide. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, remember, you're launching a high-speed spray of droplets. So, grab a tissue or sneeze into your elbow. It's a simple act that can make a big difference in public health. Stay safe, stay healthy, and think twice about that sneeze. Subscribe for more fascinating facts and shorts.